Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a macaron paper squishy. First, gather your materials. You will need paper, scissors, clear tape, and a soft stuffing material like polyfill. Selecting a sturdy paper, such as cardstock, will give your squishy a better feel and last longer. Next, draw or print out your macaron design. Aim for a size of about 4 inches in diameter for a comfortable squish. Now let's start crafting. Carefully cut out 2 identical macaron shapes from your chosen paper. Precision here helps create a neat final product. Take one of your cut-out shapes and begin taping its edges. Use clear tape to seal about 3/4 of the perimeter, leaving a small opening of about 1 inch. This opening is crucial for the next step, so make sure it is accessible. It's time to give your macaron its squishy feel. Gently fill the paper macaron with your chosen soft stuffing material through the small opening you left. Polyfill, cotton balls, or even crumpled plastic bags work wonderfully to create that satisfying squish. Don't overfill it. Leave a little room for air. Once filled, carefully seal the remaining opening completely with tape to trap the air and stuffing inside. Your macaron paper squishy is almost complete. Now comes the fun part, decorating. Use markers, colored pencils, paint, or even glitter to add your personal touch. You can draw a filling in the middle or add texture to the shell for a more realistic appearance. Once decorated, your unique, handmade macaron paper squishy is ready for you to enjoy by gently squeezing it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.